this. This is the first remote control stunt motorcycle without auxiliary wheels. It is super mini and convenient to be carried around. It has three core colors, orange, blue, and yellow, and can be controlled by infrared rays. You can turn left and right to avoid obstruction and can move on even if it hits some stuff. It is featured with sharp turn and drift functions. It can turn somersaults, make jumps, and nothing can defeat it. Its body is small, but it can do a number of stunts based on different postures of the rider sitting on the motorcycle. The mini remote control is suitable for single-hand operation. It is made in the super mini proportion 143 and equipped with a built-in lithium battery and the popular USB charger. There are three frequencies to provide three persons with playing game at the same time.